Hi guys, this is my CHARMYI t-shirt dress. This is a super casual, summery style dress. Very much kind of lightweight, soft, stretchy, and comfy to wear. I love just throwing this on when I don't feel like putting together an outfit. So pockets on both sides. Plenty of room for your keys or phone. Very just simple design, so I love you can pair this with a little jean jacket if you want, flip-flops, maybe some wedges. It is just a versatile little dress. You can kind of dress it up or dress it down. Comes just a little bit above the knees, I would say. Does come in other colors as well. They've got a whole variation with patterns as well. I am wearing the dusty blue color in this video. Sizes small through XL. I'm wearing a medium, and I did find it fits very true to size. I will say I especially love the cut of the arms here. It's just very slimming. I'm always self-conscious of my arms and really appreciate the cut of it. Definitely check it out.